One of the most frequently asked questions on this channel is what happens to all the gold dust and all the pieces I chop off the jewellery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect the dust, which us jewellers call lemel. Every time I'm working on a piece of jewellery, I'm filing, there's gold dust coming off. When I'm cutting, there's pieces of jewellery flying all over my bench, and especially when I'm drilling, there's little bits of metal going everywhere. So what I do, I bag it all up, and when I've got a decent amount of gold dust, I then take it to Presman Mastermelt, where they're going to melt it into a block for me, and at the end of it, I'm going to turn it into cash. When I get to Presman Mastermelt, I'm greeted by a member of staff that are kindly going to show us the gold melting process. The first thing they do is weigh the gold, then they check for magnetics. Then borax and sodium nitrate is added to the mix. The heat inductor is turned on till the metal starts to melt. This can take up to 15 minutes, and the temperature the compound can get up to is 1200 degrees. When the mix is totally melted together, they use a glass tube to take a small sample. The sample is cooled down underwater, then extracted from the glass, and will be sent over to the lab for testing. Any extra bit of the sample is put back into the melt. The melt is now ready to be poured and cast into a bar. Once it's poured, the metal goes to the bottom and the borax stays on top. After 5 minutes, the block is smashed to separate the gold and the borax. Then the bar is cooled down underwater. Then finally cleaned with a compressed air pinned gun. As you can see, we've got 86 grams of gold out of the dust. Just got the cash back from the melt up. The metal's been tested. I just got under £3,000. What I'm going to do with this money now is put it back into fresh metal so I can go on and make some new projects. Normally I do this about once a month, but it's depending on the gold price. If it's really low, I hold the dust for a little bit longer to wait for the gold price to get higher. So what I do with my gold dust, I probably get asked this question at least once a day. So that's why I wanted to make this video. But if there's anything else you want to know about the jewellery process, please leave a comment and I'll try and make a video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button. We've got a lot of interesting videos coming up.